Eto na guys, ang dami sa inyo nagre-request nitong Redmi K50 Pro sa aking channel. And finally, andito na sa ating channel. 120 watts of fast charging, 2K display, Dimensity 9000. It's probably one of the first na meron itong chipset na ito. And I'm really excited na ipakita sa inyo kung ano meron dito sa phone nito na inaabang-abangan ninyo. Samahan niyo ako. Tara, buksan muna natin. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, kita natin, this is the Redmi K50 Pro na merong 120 watts of fast charging, 2K display, and andito pa rin itong dragon na ito sa likod. So, bubuksan muna natin. Yan. Sa likod, meron siyang QR code. Pagbukas, meron siyang SIM ejector pin. Meron siyang user guide. Meron din siyang jelly case na, okay, mukhang maganda. At ito na, ang phone mismo. Ang ganda ng kanyang design. Mukhang shattered glass yung likod niya, oh. Ang ganda. Parang marble na shattered glass. Grabe. Pero one thing na napapansin ko is this is definitely a fingerprint magnet. And another thing na agad-agad na napansin ko is yung mata niya, parang mata ni Sasuke na Mangekyo Sharingan. Other things inside the box, charging cable, and ang kanyang 120 watts na super fast charger. At ganito ang itsura niya pag nakakabit ang kanyang default na jelly case. At ganito naman ang itsura niya pag kinabit ko ang beetle case ni Shandy. Ang nabili ko sa Shandy Masangkay. By the way guys, itong phone na ito nabili ko sa Shandy Masangkay for just 29,000 pesos. Link on the description below. Now, like I said, itong phone na ito is probably one of the first na nagkaroon ng Mediatek Dimensity 9000. It's a 4nm chip, 5G capable, and it's the best from Mediatek as of the moment. Na pwede pang laban sa mga Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And ang score niya sa Antutu benchmark is not that far from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, near 900,000 points, and si Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is almost ganun din ang score na sa 900 plus, a little bit more than itong Mediatek Dimensity 9000. So breaking down the score, ito makikita natin. So itong phone na ito comes running on MIUI 13 on Android 12. And very fast, okay naman ang kanyang customization. Ang MIUI, definitely masasabi ko siya, you'll love its customization dahil very smooth ang kanyang implementation dito sa phone na ito. Now, going around the phone, sa ilalim makita natin may kanyang SIM tray na kaya mag-host ng 2 nano SIM na 5G. Microphone in, Type-C port na can support up to 120 watts of fast charging, loudspeaker sa ilalim. Sa ibabaw ka ng second na loudspeaker, IR blaster, and noise cancelling mic. Dito sa kabila ang kanyang volume rocker plus power button / fingerprint scanner. Sa likod ang kanyang 108MP triple camera setup. Sa harap ang kanyang 20MP na front selfie shooter. Ang panel na ginamit ni Xiaomi this time around is a OLED panel. 120Hz of screen refresh rate, Dolby Vision na siya, HDR10+, and ang kanyang max brightness is 1,200 nits. Meaning kahit nasa labas kayo, nasa ilalim ka ng araw, okay na okay pa rin. Mababasa nyo pa lahat ng mga text dito at makakanood pa kayo ng video dito sa phone na ito. At ang screen size pala niya guys is a 6.67 inch together with a 86.4 na screen to body ratio. And mapapansin nyo guys, ang kanyang bezel is hindi ganun kakapal. Lalo na kanyang gilid, ang nipis. And this phone comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus na protection sa harap, aluminum side frames, and glass finish sa likod. Ang kanyang display is a 1440 by 3200 pixels, giving you probably the best resolution possible on a Redmi phone. So one thing na napansin ko dito is wala siyang Google Play and very easy lang mag-install. All you need to do is just go to Get Apps. Type in nyo lang Google Play sa search bar, lalabas update, i-update nyo lang, and magkakaroon na kayo ng Google Play Store. Ganun kadali. And fully functional itong Google Play Store niya. Kaya ko i-download lahat ng apps na kailangan ko dito on this phone. So, try natin gamitin ang YouTube. So, ayan. Nag-load ang YouTube. Walang kaproblema. So, watching some of my favorite shows dito on YouTube, I can say na ang ganda ng kanyang resolution. Very bright, very punchy ang kanyang colors. Definitely, this is something na gusto mo when you're watching your favorite shows be it on Netflix, on YouTube, or on other streaming apps. And good news guys, normally ang China ROM comes with a security level of level 3, but this one sa Widevine, level 1 na siya. So sa pag-select ng refresh rate, you can either choose default na pwede siya mag-adjust on its own dynamically, or pwede ka mag-custom at i-force mo lagi sa 120Hz or i-force mo lagi sa 60Hz, depende sa inyong kailangan. And of course, remember, pag lagi ka naka 120Hz, expect yung battery mo mabilis masimot. Now, itong phone na ito comes with a 5,000 mAh of battery, and it can fast charge up to 120 watts. Definitely, it's something fast. And based on a real-life experience, pumasok ko ng shower room, iniwan ko nag-charge itong phone na ito from 15% to 100. Paglabas ko ng shower room, in just roughly 20 minutes, natapos ang charging nito in just 23 minutes. Ang bilis niya, guys. Halos pagtapos ko mag-blower ng buhok, tapos na mag-charge ang aking phone. Ganon kabilis. Now, one of the best things na gusto ko sabihin sa inyo is this phone kaya na magtagal ng one whole day. And based sa screen on time na itong phone na ito, it can last you for 10 hours and 36 minutes. Based on the testing dito sa phone na ito, being set at 120Hz plus FHD plus ang kanyang display. And by the way guys, meron siya dalawang klaseng resolution dito. You can either set it at FHD plus, which can save you more battery, or kung gusto nyo mas magandang quality, you can always set to WQHD for better clarity, pero mas mabilis nga lang maubos ang battery. But take note guys, meron siyang save battery with WQHD, which save power. I'm not quite sure with this one, but ganun na sabi ni Xiaomi, so definitely we should try it out. And based on real life experience using this one, WQHD+, well, kaya naman na mag-survive ng one whole day, pero at the end of the day, halos naghihingalo ng battery. Halos roughly mga 12% as compared sa FHD+, which at the end of the day, halos meron pa akong mga 27% to 28% based on normal usage. Now, itong phone na ito has a camera sensor na 108MP na wide lens together with a 8MP na ultra wide lens, and of course, andyan pa rin ang kanyang macro lens na 2MP. And ang kanyang front camera is a 20MP shooter. Ang camera na ito can only shoot up to a 4K 30fps. And probably it's one of the limitations na sinet ni Redmi dito dahil this phone is not a flagship but probably a upper mid-range if you ask me. Ang front camera niya can only shoot up to a 1080p 30fps. Now, checking some real-life action, masasabi ko sa inyo when you're going outdoors, ang ganda ng mga kanyang resolution ng mga pictures. Lalo na pag very nice ang sunlight, saktong-sakto ang makuha mo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga resolution na ibabato sa inyo nitong camera nito. Lalo na when you plug it onto your PC, makita mo mas maganda pa. And one thing that I like about this camera is kahit sa low light, nakapag-perform siya ng maayos. Some of these coffee shop shots, I can say na hindi ganun kaliwanag sa loob, but it was able to give me some of those shots na klarong-klaro. And I love it. Definitely, when taking some bokeh shot, is probably one of the best na kayang-kaya nitong phone na ito. Now, taking some selfie shots using this camera, I can say na okay siya. Lalo na sa bright outdoors, ang ganda. Ang ganda na kanyang resolution, very punchy, and I love it. And some of the indoor shots are good, but sometimes pagdating sa medyo dark spots, medyo nagiging dark din ang aking mukha. Probably some software updates might correct it. I'm not sure. Hopefully, makorek niya ito. Now, one thing na I like about this one is yung camera niya merong OIS. And taking some videos on this phone, using the rear camera, very clear, very sharp, and definitely stable siya. And kahit medyo pasmado ka, kaya naman niya i-control na maayos dahil meron siyang OIS. And another thing na napansin ko sa kanyang front camera is steady naman siya. But di ko alam kung bakit jerky ang kanyang images. Probably makokorekto, probably soon sa mga software updates na upcoming. And yeah, I think this one can definitely be a good vlogging camera kung inayos ni Redmi ang kanyang software dito sa phone na ito. Now, this phone can definitely game without a hitch. Dimensity 9000, ang lakas niya. Kaya na i-rival ang mga Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So, playing Call of Duty Mobile dito, playing Asphalt 9. Sobrang sisi lang, maning-mani lang sa kanya. And, well, ang kanyang sounds dito is loud. Na-try ko ang kanyang dual speaker, playing the Call of Duty on maximum volume. Okay na okay siya, guys. Sobrang sarap, sobrang enjoy. And kung naghahanap kayo at bibili kayo ng phone na magandang camera, magandang gaming per experience, magandang watching video experience, I think the K50 Pro is just perfect for you. At itong phone na ito, mabibili niyo siya hindi masangkay. I'll be posting the link on the description below. And kung gusto nyo pa manood ng ibang videos ko, check it out on my outro and of course on my playlist. Ang dami nyo pang pwede matutunan dito sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!